I'll welcome you back again to another direction on C# programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and learn typecasting or type conversion. Alright, so the ability or the need to convert from one data type to another is this in C#. You can receive information as a string and they can convert that to integer. So let's say, for instance, you go ahead and say console dot readline, console dot readline, and then go ahead and ask user to insert a number. So insert a number, and once go ahead and press semicolon. Once user inserts that, but we want to put that as an integer or as a double, we can go ahead and say double num1, and then first of all convert that to double. Okay, so that is say convert dot to double. Alright, so once that is converted, it can now go ahead and say console dot readline. So you can be able to pick that, go ahead and press semicolon, and then go ahead and let's say you want to get another number, console dot readline. Then we go ahead and tell the user to insert another number. Let's go ahead and press semicolon at the end of that, and then say double, and let that be num2 is equal to convert dot to double, convert that to double, then console dot readline, console dot readline, go ahead and place semicolon at the end. Now go ahead and print out the result of that. So say console dot readline. So whatever the user inserts, go ahead and say maybe num1 divide by num2. Go ahead and place semicolon at the end. Then put console dot read key. Go ahead and put semicolon at the end. So go ahead and run this code. Let's check it out. So that comes up and it says insert a number, and let the number be 56.98. I hit enter. Insert another number, 45.6. I hit, and you can see the result is 1 point. Blah 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 blah. This is because we use double to do that. So n number we got from here, we converted that, and this numbers came as an integer, as a string. Okay, so in that same way you can convert to float, you can convert to integer. So to convert to an integer, go ahead and comment this. Let's go ahead and comment that. Okay, so we go ahead and request user, go ahead and copy this. Go ahead and copy everything here and press that here. Alright, so to convert an integer, you go ahead and change the double to int, and then go ahead and change these to, you can see there's an error right now, convert dot to integer. So we have integer 32, we have 32 bits, 16 bits, 64 bits, and so on. So go ahead and hit 32. Now we can also convert int, and remember that integer is not decimal, it's just float, and convert dot to integer 32. Now if we go ahead, let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So let's say we have because it's an integer, if you go ahead and put 45.6 and hit enter, you can see that disappears because this is an integer. Alright, and if you check right here, you can see system.format exception and the exception handling. We taught on how to handle this kind of exception that come up. Okay, because you expect to get an integer, but you just get a double. Alright? And that is not accepted. Now let's go ahead and run this code and put integer values there, because we're accepting this as a string. And let's say 67 and 4 and 4. I hit enter. The result is 16. Can you see that? So it gives you the output as an integer because it receives everything there as integer values. I hope that is very cool. So if everything being okay and once it hits convert dot, you can go ahead and see some other things you can convert to. There are too many of them. Alright. You can convert to string, you can convert to float, you can convert to double, integer, and so much more. So play around with this, and if you have any question, go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.